The new Pocket 3.
Yeah.
That's what I got. So on this one, what's the charge? How much does it last, the charge?
I think it's around 6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours. Hey, I got a question. Calibrating.
12 hours.
How do you calibrate it when you install? It automatically calibrates
Yes.
itself? You don't need to calibrate it like the older ones I had, you know?
Yes.
So,
yeah, you can collaborate in the app.
oh, okay, with the app. Okay, all right, yeah. Because that's a headache when you get something, you put it in there. Is it only work with the camera itself, or can it work with other cameras? The gimbal.
Do you mean the flow?
No, the gimbal. The gimbal.
Yeah.
Yeah. The gimbal. Can it work with other products too?
What product?
Like, for example, a GoPro.
Oh, you want to model everything?
Yeah.
We prefer only recommend what with smartphone.
Oh, okay. So I see that the camera's on it. Oh, that's
So it's one step deploy. You
Yeah.
just need to.
price on this.
Probably, yeah, we have a 8% discount here.
Yes.
If you want to purchase here, no tax,
Okay.
no shipping.
How much?
The price 146.
146 right now.
It's just automatically stabilized.
Yeah, I like it.
And also have
I should. Oh, I didn't see that. That's really neat.
built-in selfie stick here.
Yeah, Steve.
And also built-in selfie stick.
Oh, shoot.
So basically you have everything built
Yeah.
inside, even though the small size like this.
Can you program it to record from the button too and everything on the camera?
Yes.
The function. Can I see?
Oh yeah. You can connect the gimbal to the smartphone, then you can use this button to control the recording.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.